Hi guys, this is Juan from OGMA. Today I'm going to show you how to install the O-tilter. We're going to be using the Allen wrench that is provided with your O-tilter. And to start, we are going to check that all the screws around the O-tilter are fully retracted. They should still be connected to the O-tilter, but retracted to the point where we can clearly see their heads outside the body of the O-tilter. Here we can see that we have a healthy gap between the ring of the O-tilter and the front plate, and that we can see through the gap, for every pair of screws, one of the two screws is passing through the gap. We shouldn't see two screws through the gap. If we see the tip of the other screw, then we need to make sure that we retract it enough. We're also going to check the safety screw that is on the top of the O-tilter. We're going to place the O-tilter on the table, and we are going to put the camera on the top so that the black sticker that indicates the top of the camera near the screw on the golden ring of the camera, that sticker should fall exactly inside the indentation that is inside the O-tilter. We're going to use the tip of a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, to expand the ring of the O-tilter by twisting right and left, and then with a little push we should be able to slide in the camera inside the O-tilter. At this point, we're going to cover the sensor to make sure that dust or other particles are not going to reach the sensor. Everything should be flat, square, even. Nothing should be warped, twisted, tilted. We're going to secure the screws that are responsible for locking the O-tilter to the body of the camera. And please note that we are going to be using the shorter side of the Allen wrench to apply pressure on the screws, because we don't want to apply too much pressure. These are very small screws. They are M2.5. And if we apply too much pressure, we can damage the threads. We just need to make sure that they are tight and that everything is in place. Again, we check. There is no gap between the ring and the front plate. Everything looks nice. Now we're going to use the 3 guitar picks that were provided with your O-tilter to create a nice gap between the between the ring and the front plate. This gap should be even all around. We make sure that everything is centered. And we're going to start by tightening the pull screws. The pull screws are the ones that are closer to the minus sign. We go around, and we are focused now only on the pull screws. Once we're done with the pull screws, we move to the push screws. Everything looked good. And we're going to remove the guitar picks, making sure that we're not leaving behind a piece of the guitar pick. It shouldn't happen, but we inspect every time. If everything went well, we have now a nice gap that is even all around. And it should be approximately 1 millimeter, less than 1 millimeter. Finally, we're going to tighten the safety screw that is on the top of the O-tilter, as indicated here. It matches the logo of the camera on the back. That's it. Thank you for watching.